Cabin filter on a Scion FRS. This is the same for a BRZ or the Toyota 86. Comes with the glove box. Got a damper here. I'm just gonna disconnect the damper. This one kind of just disconnected all the way. I'll be able to fix that here in a minute. The glove box, you're gonna want to push this in and then pull it out a little bit. Same thing on this side. Pull it inward and then pull it towards you. You might have to go back, like on this side. It comes out. And you can lower the glove box. There's the damper. It kind of see what it looks like. You're gonna end up putting it back together on this hole right here. Just click it back on there. Cabin filter is located in here. Check out this bad boy. See what it looks like. It's got these clips on the sides that you just push in. Now, I don't have a new filter. I haven't ordered it yet. I don't know if I need it or not, so I'm gonna check this one out. If you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box below where you can get one. And this one, we're gonna have to change this one. This one's pretty dirty, so I'll go ahead and order one of those. You get your new one, slide it back in the way you took it out. Your door will just snap back on there. Just push it back on there. Alright. And then grab the glove box and just close it. Alright. And then just go back over to the damper here and just push it back. Push the arm back on its little mount. And that's it.